Today's a new day.
You see this baby wing? It's no more, baby. No more. Finally, we're making this Integra a real Integra with the Type R wing. No more of this little baby wing. Too tiny for me. And to be honest, it kind of looks weird. I don't like it. But I have other things coming for this car, so stay tuned. We're gonna be doing a little couple. There, I'll give you a sneak peek. Look, 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 look. That's it. That's all you get. That's all you get. You should know. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. That's it. That's all you need to know, baby. But this is finally going bye. Yeah, don't. You see that rust spot? Yeah, I need to fix that. It's getting really bad and nasty. But I'll probably Bondo it or something. You know, try my best.
The wing I bought, it was from Amazon. It was like around maybe like $40 around there, give or take. It doesn't have the third brake light. I was going for that one, but then I felt like the LED on it was gonna, like, you know, malfunction in the future. So I just might as well just stay with the stock, I guess you could call it, no LED brake light Type R rep wing. Well, you know, funds are low. Can't get the real Type R wing yet. Alright, but let me stop with all this talking and annoying you guys and boring you guys with all this stuff. Let's just get into it, baby. Whoa, hold up. I hear somebody coming. Who could it be? Who could it be? The bro, the one we did his exhaust, sounded real nice and clean. All right, so this is the wing I got. Like I said, I got it from Amazon. It looks and feels pretty durable, or durable. Yeah. Take it out the package. It brought some of that little sticky tape. I forgot what it's called. See, this is it. Alright, so obviously the first thing you want to do is open up your trunk. Mine doesn't have the latch, so I have to use my key.
And as you can see, I have to take off these two little freaking 10mm screws. That's probably not 10 mil. And this is probably not 10 mil anymore because it's all rusted. So that's probably going to be a challenge to take out. And then, lucky for me, this one's already gone. I don't know why. I guess they were trying to install a new wing or something. I don't know. This isn't even the original paint. Look, it's freaking red. Now I gotta take this one out. But luckily, I don't have to take out these screws because, as you can see, these screws are gone. Those aren't even screws anymore. Look at that. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's actually see if these are actually 10 mil. Let me see. Yeah, that big gray one, it's not 10. The rusted one, wow, it's coming out. Alright, now let's try to find out what this other one is. And I could probably use a flathead since it has a little crease for the flathead, but I might as well just use this. Alright, I found the size. It was a 12 mil. Oh, that didn't sound good. Oh my god. What they have is a whole freaking bolt in there. Look at that. Can I even get it out of here? Oh my god. Hold up. Alright, I got it. So this is what was in there. As you can see. I'm pretty sure that wasn't supposed to be in there. But it's coming out anyways. I got new hardware for it. Alright, let's go on the other side. You know, since this one's gonna be easy since it's only one. Oh my god. It feels like it's running. I don't know if it's big enough or not. Oh, never mind. I caught it. Alright, so I finally took it out after like freaking 10 minutes of working on it. So
let's take off the wing and see what happens. Okay, yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. Okay. The other side's out. Now, question is, how do I take out this cable? Do I just pull it? Since you clearly couldn't pull out the freaking cable, you know, like a dumbass, don't do it my way. That's why let me mess up for you, okay? I'm gonna see if I can take off this cover to see if I find any of the cables in there, which I'm 100% sure they will be in there. And while we do this, let's try not to break any of the panels, because I don't feel like replacing them. Again, the goal was not to break anything, and I didn't, so I'm good. All right, so now this is what you're left with after taking off that huge cover that's right there. But this is the cable in question, right? No, this can't be it. Oh, it is. This is the cable in question, right here. Oh, it even has a clip. Okay, lit. Okay, so if I take off this clip, the whole wing is gonna fall back. So let me put you guys down and then do that. All right, finally, the wing's off. This is the look. It's what it looks like when it's off. It's so freaking tiny compared to the big one. Well, compared to the Type R one. So there's like a little clip right there. You just unclip and that's it. Stock GSR spoiler. Type R rep. This is the size difference. Look at that. Look at the difference. Jesus Christ. Alright, the only bad thing is that you're left with these super nasty holes. They're not that big. They look big on camera, but they're not that big. I'll probably clean that up. Well, not probably, I am gonna clean that up. Alright, so this is the biggest hole you're gonna have for the cable that ran through it for the brake light. This is all rusted out. Great. Well, I'll probably put some duct tape over it just for now until I go to like Home Depot or something. You know what? Let's just try to do it right the first time. All right, while I'm still in the car, since it's gonna be quiet, the little freaking stopper hole plugger thing I was looking for, the aisle was closed. I don't know if they were doing like maintenance or something. So I just bought some Gorilla Tape because it's waterproof. Oh, that's what it says, it's waterproof. And it's black, but I'm just gonna cover it like that for now until I get the proper plugs from Amazon or something, and then it'll be legit. But for now, tape is gonna have to do. All right, I was just making sure the hole is clean, so now it's time to tape it. All right, so let's tape this up. Fuck it. Jesus. Okay, that's way too much, but here. We could cut around it later. There's one hole. Do the little indentation. So that one's done. Hopefully it doesn't bother me as much, but you know, it's only going to be on there for 1 or 2 days. Amazon is the way to go. You know, 2-day shipping, baby. Now this hole is going to be a little bit trickier because it's bigger, but well, maybe not. finally. Time to put on the freaking wing, which you've all been waiting for. All right, so it came with, you know, the hardware it needs. So, oh, look at that. Already dropping things. We're gonna need 2 on this side. See if I can at least just like put them in just to hold it. Okay, so the holes don't line up perfectly, but I seen in a video if you stretch it, you know, they fit. And that's what I did. And it feels like it's gonna snap in half. It's the only one I got. So we already came this far. All right, now we're just gonna tighten the bolt. Oh, by the way, I didn't put the little tape on it, little sticky double-sided tape on it, because I still gotta take off the wing and cover the holes and all that stuff. All right, last bolt in. Sorry, it's getting kind of dark. That's why it's so freaking crappy dark quality. But ready for the big reveal? Oh my God, finally it looks like an Integra. Look at it, iconic. Wow, it looks like it's paint matched, but it's not, it's just black. Jesus, finally I'm part of the actual Integra crew. All right, let's get a quick side view. Look at that. Wow. I just need to drop it. All right, I'm in my car now because there's way too many cars passing today. I don't understand. It's like, what's the day? Sunday? Like Black Friday was like 2 days ago. Why is there so much traffic? But that's all for now. You know, there's gonna be more stuff in the next video, of course. But if you found yourself at all liking this video, you know, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if I did, you know, anything wrong, which is probably 99% of the time. And you're gonna see it throughout all my videos that I'm gonna post. But peace out. Catch you guys later.